everybody. Today we have HP Zbook Power G9 laptop. It's an Intel Core i7 12th gen laptop. Let's take it apart, let's see what we can fix, replace or upgrade. Let's start. Start with bottom screws. Now we have to separate the bottom case from the Palmrest, so find the gap where you can put your tool. And work your way around the edge so you can disconnect all the clips. Alright. And the bottom is off. Look for the part number on those white stickers. Now we can access all the internal components. So let's start with disconnecting the battery. Now we can take it out. So if the battery doesn't hold the charge or it's swollen, you would like to replace it, then you can do it. Yeah, unscrew on the screws and then you can take it out. Here we have the part number. Here we can see our RAM memory. One slot is empty, one occupied. So if the memory doesn't work or you would like to upgrade to the bigger one, you can do it. Spread those arms and that's how you can take it out. Here, that's our SSD drive, that's our storage. So if your laptop doesn't boot and tells you there is no boot device or you would like to upgrade to the bigger one, so that's the NVMe SSD drive. Here we can see our cooling heatsink and fans. So if the fans are dirty like these, or they don't spin, or the laptop overheats, you can replace it. So take out all the screws for the heatsink. And disconnect the fan from the motherboard. Disconnect the other fan as well. Maybe easier if we take out the fan. Alright, so that's our cooling fan. Here we have the part number. That's our second fan and the part number. That's our heatsink. Be careful, don't bend it. It won't work if you bend it. Here we have the part number. Here we can see our processor. It's soldered on the motherboard, so if it doesn't work, you have to replace the whole motherboard. Same with the Wi-Fi card. That's our Wi-Fi card. Unfortunately, it's soldered on the motherboard, so if it doesn't work, you have to replace the whole motherboard. So those are antenna wires. So now we are pulling out the motherboard. So Let's disconnect all the cables and take out all the screws. So that's a video cable, so to disconnect it you have to flip this clip. Now you can pull it out. Okay, now let's take out all the screws. Oh, here's the speaker connector. So let's see if we can replace that speaker. Oh, it's under the motherboard, so let's take out the motherboard first. Okay. We have to take out this bracket, it's on the motherboard. Oh, let's disconnect the keyboard. I will keep the CMOS battery with the motherboard. Okay, and the motherboard is out. Here we have the part number. So now let's disconnect the screen assembly. So take out the screws for the hinges. And if you need your parts, check gatlaptopparts.com. Now gently unfold hinges. And this is how we can disconnect it. Now let's look at our speaker. So our speaker, yes, you can take it out if it doesn't work. Here we have the part number. Let's see the touchpad. Very often if the touchpad doesn't work, you would like to replace just the touchpad, not the whole assembly. Okay, and the touchpad is out. Here we have the part number. So that's our Palmrest keyboard assembly, usually sold in one piece. Keyboard is riveted to the Palmrest, so you cannot replace it. You have to buy the whole part. And that's our screen. Look for the part number on the video cable. This one doesn't have the sticker. It's very fragile, so if you have to take it out, if you have to replace it, I would advise to purchase the whole screen assembly. It's more convenient this way. Thank you guys for watching. See you in the next video.